we've done the top, so we've cut this way on both sides so it's really even, but I'm gonna show you how to make it look a little bit more beachy, surfer dude. Now I wanna make it a little bit more uneven. So now we're going to pull the hair up this way and we're going to cut little V's in it. So turn your scissors diagonal and just start cutting little V's in that top section. So the top's almost done. Now we just need to work on the bangs. Pull it out kind of at a unicorn diagonal and take that top little section off. And cutting into the hair is much better than cutting at this angle for this haircut. Now we just need to make sure that this part is super seamless transition between the long and the short. Put the comb up through the hair, and as soon as that long hair comes through your comb, then you move your clippers and you cut that off. So when you do this clipper over comb, make sure that your comb is coming straight up and your clippers are shaving flush with the comb. And then just keep traveling around the head until it's all blended perfectly. So with this haircut, I just want to go through and make just a few random cuts, once again with these texturing shears, just so it flows really well. You can see how we've made that look work for us, because it looks like it's meant to go over that way.